Hi guys! Welcome to our daily market wrap ngayong November 19, 2020. Ang PSEi ay nag-close 6,997.62, down siya today ng 54.16 points or 0.77%. Value turnover around 11.12 billion at may net, May net foreign selling of around 1.09 billion pesos. So, TA na tayo agad sa PSEi. So, actually, ito naman yung previous TA ko dito sa PSEi. Long term, bullish ako with a target of around 12,100 to 17,900 within the next 9 years, which is 2029 to possibly 2036. So, ang ginamit ko doon is the previous two crises, average, growth, and yung isa, ang ginamit ko, yung 17,900 is the Elliott wave palang ginamit ko sa 12,100, and yung 17,900 ang ginamit ko doon is the growth of previous two crises, yung average nun. So, that's it. Anyway, on a short-term time frame, kung mapapansin nyo, down siya today, and meron siya kasi actually gaps. Actually, marami siyang gap. So, wait lang . Yeah, meron siyang 3 gaps. So, meron siyang gap up dito. And then, the remaining 2 gap down siya before the global dump. So, I'm expecting it actually dahil sa, seems like medyo nahihirapan siya and at overbought territory and it's trending down. So, possibly will retest the support of around the 6,800 levels. Breakdown to that area could possibly fill the gap of around this area, around the 6,700 area. So, I think yun muna for now. The resistance I'm currently looking at is this area, which is the 7,100. And possibly will fill this gap around the 7,200 area. So, since Friday na bukas, yun na lang muna siguro. Or, anyway, kung sakali mang ma-fill niya tong gap na to around the 7,2, possibly will retest around 7,4. So, I think that's it for the PSEi. Now, let's move on to the most actively traded stocks. So, siguro 4 lang siya and then 4, then down. PHA. Oh, PHA. Actually, nakabili ako ng PHA nung, kailan na ba yun? PHA. Nabili ko siya sa 51 cents last, wait lang it's loading. I think here, second, yun. So, nabili ko siya nung November 16, which is Monday. So, 51 cents ko siya nabili. Actually, long-term target ko dyan is 10 pesos. I think, yay, nadan ako sa BTC, 18,200. So, nabili ko around 17,000 500 area. So, anyway, let's move on to, sabi ko kanina, si PHA, na-compute natin siya dito sa sector ROI. Kasi magkakaroon sila ng bagong investor with a controlling interest around 55%. So, since controlling siya, possibly, baka, yun na siya. Si PHA, possibly magiging squid pay backdoor listing. So, currently, si PHA, this is already the post subscription, which is magiging 5 billion shares, more than 5 billion shares. And since yung closing price niya, 0.77 pala. So, ang closing price niya today is 0.77. So, ang estimated market cap niya after the subscription of Squid Pay is around 3.9 billion pesos. So, normally, Squid Pay kasi is an electronic payment. And i-compare ko siya sa mga similar crypto projects. And normally, yung mga yon is initial market cap nila is at $1 billion. So, $1 billion times, ang ginamit ko is 50 pesos per US dollar. So, that's 50 billion pesos. 50 billion pesos divided by the estimated outstanding shares after their subscription, which is the 5 billion shares. Ang estimated fair value is around 10 pesos. So, which is yun ang target ko. Actually, tingin ko, inano ko lang, dalawang decimal place. So, should be 9.81 pala siya. Pero sa akin, kung magiging at par siya with Globe at saka Globe GCash or PayMaya ng Tel, I think it should be more than this market cap. So, kung conservative note, syempre gamitin lang muna natin yon. Actually, this is one of possible long-term hold for me. Kaya ko siya binili. So, from 55 cents, which is, gamitin lang natin to, price range. 51 cents to 0.77. So, 55 cents, 0.77. So, that's already 40% up from my buying area. Pero, target ko kasi is 9 or 10 pesos. So, sa 10 pesos, divided by 0.51 minus 1. So, that's possible 1,900% in my opinion. So, yun yung target ko kay PHA. At saka na-explain ko na before na during global financial crisis, ang pinaka mataas na returns is 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus percent, which is this. Let me show you again. Which is this area, 1,003%. So, syempre, yung 9 years pa yun, kasi yan yung global financial crisis or the past 2 crisis highest return, which is this. Kasi wala naman yung Asian financial crisis niya. So, yung 1,900, that's more than good enough kung sakaling ma-hit yung TP area ko na 10 pesos. So, 9 more or less 9 years. Pero I'm planning to hold it lang siguro mga 1 to 3 years to this target area. Pero kung mabasa ko at matignan ko yung financial statement ng SquidPay at kung maganda siya, of course, I will hold it even longer. So, sa stock market ngayon, actually medyo naging position trader na ako kasi mostly I'm trading Bitcoin. And ang ganda kasi ng volatility niya at the moment. So, dun muna tayo. And actually, masaya din naman ako sa returns ko dito sa PSEi stocks ko na hawak. So, actually, napalitan pala siya. Wait lang. Meron akong binili si ACEN at saka binenta ko si Converge. Anyway, let me just update that. Ito. Copy and then paste ko siya dito. Oh, let me just delete this. So, ito na yung ending position ko as of today, November 19. So, bumili ako ng AC Energy Philippines Inc. After kong binili si PHA, the next day is bumili ako ng AC Energy Inc. AC Energy Philippines Inc. And then nag-add pa ako ng PHA. And then, binenta ko si Converge. At a small gain lang si Converge. Kasi, napansin nyo, mostly exposed na ako sa ibang telco. So, I'll just hold now and dito shares. So, anyway, let's move on to the next stock, which is MRC. Oh, yeah, anyway, sa TA naman. So, sige. TA muna nitong si PHA. Kung mapapansin nyo, there is a gap. So, I don't know if this gap will be filled. But, yeah, there's always a possibility that this gap will be filled. Kung kailan, of course, no one knows. This area. Oh. Which is this area. So, let's see if ma-fill yung gaps na yan. And then, I think maganda nga sana kung makita ko yung FS ng SquidPay kasi para at least ma-evaluate ko pa siya. However, wala kasi akong balance sa SEC iView. So, para makita ko sana siya doon. Kasi yung mga non-listed shares, pwede mo makita ang financial statements sa SEC. Kailangan mo lang, of course, ng balance to view their financial statements. So, anyway, for this, I think mas magandang gamitin ko yung Fib retracement or Fibonacci retracement. So, I will use this as a pero i-uncheck ko yung reverse nito. Wait, style. It's not working. Oh. Di na bakit ayaw? There. So, check ko lang yung reverse. And I will click. Where is it? So, yun na siya. So, currently at 0.382. Ang next possible target is or resistance is actually the 1 peso area. Kung sakali man na of course, pull back to is the 0.58 area. So, yun yung tinitingnan kong immediate support and resistance. So, let's see how it goes. Anyway, let's just check this one. Kung saan yung target ko. Oh, wala na. Hanggang lang. Hanggang 436 lang pala nandito. But anyway, yeah. My long-term target here is 10 pesos. Actually, kung maganda yung magiging earnings nila by the fourth quarter or after the post-subscription, baka maging mas valuable pa siya. So, yun lang yung comment ko kay PHA kasi syempre yung trend or the industry, cashless payments na. So, napakalaking opportunity. Kaya, I buy it. So, anyway, let's move on to the next. MRC. So, si MRC, so currently approaching the 76 or the overbought area ko, around the 80 levels. Pero kung may pupush pa siya, possibly will retest this 60 cents. Mababa din pala to, ano? Anyway, let's look at the cloud. Ayun, no, bullish pa rin naman yung cloud. Wait, palitan ko lang to. I don't like this one. And yeah, white. So, the 60 cents. And ang tinitignan kong support area nito is this kickstart this area around this area, which is the 50 cents. Actually, so medyo ang laki kasi ng candle niya today, so I think ang bias ko dito is of course more bullish. Pwede siyang mag-pull back at 47, but yeah, bias ko is possibly it will retest the 60 cents bago siya mag-pull back, and then after the pullback could possibly retest this area, which is around close to 80 cents. So anyway, and kung makikita, mapapansin nyo, it's a very bullish flag pa. A bullish cloud, I mean. So let's see how it goes to MRC. But since minsan kasi yung overbought area na siya, I will possibly buy or wait for pullback. Kasi wala namang trend na dire-diretso lang. For sure, magkakaroon yan ng correction, which is healthy naman in a trend. So now, let's move on to ACEN. Ito, nabili ko ng Tuesday. Binenta ko si Converge and binili ko na si ACEN. So, ang tagal kong bumili, ano. Anyway, it's naisip ko kasi it's nung napanood ko yung renewable energy, ang ganda kasi ng futures ng renewable energy. Ang laki pa ng future potential. Actually, this will be my long-term hold. But yeah, I think we also have computed the fair value after full dilution of shares. So here. So ang tinitingnan ko, ang estimated fair value na is actually 3.92 area. Actually, I have done, di pala updated to. November 13 siya. Because plano ko is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday na lang ako mag-update dito sa PSEi stocks. And sa crypto naman is Monday to Friday. So, yun. Kaya binawasan ko tong, parang hindi nga ako masyadong nag-update the past few days. So, anyway, ang ACEN ay ma-add sa MSCI rebalancing this or effective at the close on November 30. So, syempre, additional possible upside. And then, si RLC sa MSCI, si RLC ay madi-downgrade siya to small caps, and then matatanggal din si Shell. So, watch out for yung si Shell at saka si RLC, watch out for the sell-off. Kasi, syempre, pag nag-sell-off sila, as long as the fundamentals still intact, for me, I will take that as an opportunity to possibly buy. Especially kay RLC, if ever magkaroon ng malaking dump. So anyway, for RLC, for ACEN, ang tinitignan kong fair value nito is around 3.92, which is around this area. Uy, sakto lang din, ano? Around this area. And since yan na yung pinaka all-time high niya, what we can do is we can actually use this one to project the possible, syempre, next resistance, which is possibly the 7.60 area. Ang ginamit ko is 1.618. Actually, meron pa naman dyan in between that, but normally ginagamit ko is the golden ratio na 0.618. So, yan ang tinitingnan kong area, around 7 pesos. So, ang support is at fair value of around 3.92 area. Close to that area. Siyempre, I think malakas na tong malakas na siyang support area. Anyway, let's make a hypothetical example pala kasi magkakaroon siya ng ACEN SRO. So, subject to regulatory approvals, possibly this quarter to first quarter next year. So, kung sakaling may existing shares ka na 10,000 shares, so 10,000 shares lang to. So, kung may existing 10,000 shares ka, and then, ang ratio niya is 1:1, 1.1, I think. Yeah, let's just double check. 2:1 share. So, mabibili mo siya at 2.37 pesos. So, check lang natin siya para makita nyo yung possible opportunity rin. So, here. And then, saan niya ba niya dinisclose yan? I think here. November 12 ba yun? 2.37, and then yeah, I'm looking for the ratio. SRO ratio. 1.11 shares held. So, 1.11 shares held. So, since, kunwari, meron kang 10,000 shares, 10,000 ACEN shares. So, the ratio is, ratio is 1.11. So, dollars. So, 1.11. So, possible shares estimated. So, syempre, sa estimated shares mo is makakakuha ka or makakabili ka at 2.37 ng 9,009 shares. So, 9,009. I-round off natin siya kasi wala namang 0.01 shares. So, estimated share 9,009, and then SRO price 2.37. Oh, this it should be just that. And cash out. Kung nag-avail ka niyan is para sa mga existing shareholders ng ACEN, that's 21,351 cash out. And syempre, ang market price niya today, ang gagamitin ko lang is the market price today, which is 5.18 closing price, November 19. So, which is 5.18 times number of shares multiply by number of shares, yung SRO na na-avail mo, which is this, 9009. Oh, let's make it this way. Dapat 9009 lang na lang siya. That's so ang market value nun, market value ng SRO mo, SRO is kung sakaling meron kang existing ACEN shares, I think na gamit ko is this one. So yeah, that one. Times yan. So around 4666.62. So less yung kinash out mo, which is this. So estimated gains kung sakali is ayun 25,000 pesos. So kitang-kita ka talaga. So especially kitang-kita yung mga ACEN shareholders kung sakaling mag-avail sila ng SRO. Tingin ko syempre, of course, you should avail that kasi mas mababa mo siyang makukuha. Kasi kung hindi, sayang naman yung actually that's a possible gain of more than 100% in fairness. Kasi yan lang kinash out mo eh. I mean 18%. Hindi ko na dapat siya itananggalin ng 1 kasi yeah. Ito net gain mo na siya eh. Pero syempre hindi kasama yung fees. So more or less mga 110 or times 2. So ang ganda. So very attractive in my opinion. I mean, very attractive siya kasi magdodoble yung pera mo. So I think that's it for ACEN. So now let's move on to Merrimart. Uy, meron din ako netong Merrimart. So buy on pullback ako kay ACEN. So dito naman kay Merrimart, actually meron pa ako neto. Nabili ko siya or nag-subscribe ako ng IPO neto. So currently hold ko pa rin siya. So IPO nito is 1 peso. But anyway, ang target ko dito is actually 20 pesos. 20 pesos talaga. Yeah, which is target ko within the next 1 to 3 years. So currently ang resistance na nakikita ko is the 5.54 area. But actually we can also use this fib. So just Actually, pwede ang Elliott wave po. 1, 2, 3. So, eto na lang. Gagamitin natin 1 yan eh. So, eto siya. So, possibly, next possible target kung sakali man is the 6 pesos area. So, yun yung gagamitin ko na resistance area. However, it's already at overbought or the 85.98 ng RSI. So, I expect a pullback from here. So, yun. Possibly around 4.5 support area. Ang dami kasing developments nito. Ang dami stores opening. So, which is actually good. So, anyway, paano ko nakuha yung 20 pesos na target ko is, naalala nyo, par value nito is 5 cents. 1 peso yung IPO. So, 1 divided by 0.05, that's 20 pesos. So, ganun ko nakuha yung target ko. Ganun lang. Ganun lang, ano. So, kasi syempre, yung mga holders nito, or sinang in-job, times 20 agad-agad from the acquisition price. To IPO lang yun. So, kumita na sila 20 times. So, yun. I think the investors should also have the same level of returns. Kaya ang tinarget ko is the 20 pesos. So, within the next 1 to 3 years. But anyway, on the TA, possibly, yeah, next resistance na tinitignan ko is the 1.618, which is the 6 pesos. Support around 4.49. Para sa akin, it's a buy on pullback kay Mary Mart. Kaya ko siya hinold kasi bala ko sana 50-50 na 50-50 na i-dispose. However, napaisip ako kasi kung ililipat ko siya, kung anong stock yung bibilhin ko, that will give me a possible return na 1,900%. Kasi kung i-compare ko siya kay other retail, parang mahihirapan sila na to meet that price or to meet that returns, in my opinion, of course. Kaya naalala nyo, sabi ko, the biggest return is the growth phase. Kasi after the growth phase or pag nag-peak na siya, is syempre mag-stabilize na lang siya or worst case is magsara yung company. So anyway, I think that's it for Mary Mart. Now let's move on to MPI. MPI is also one of the undervalued conglomerates. Pero dito, yeah, I think there is, yes, I remember this. Meron nga kaya siyang dito, ay, nako naman. Meron siyang bearish divergence dyan pa lang. Sa area na yan. So, yeah, this area. Ay, ano ba yan? Pambira. So, meron siyang bearish divergence dito. So, the price is going up while the indicators is signaling that it will possibly correct. So, yun. Oh. Which is nagtuloy-tuloy naman siya. So, anyway, bullish pa rin naman yung kanyang cloud. So, I expect this is just a normal correction. So, ang tinitignan kong support is possibly this one. Naghanap ako ng ano eh. This area. Yun. Dito muna siya. Around the 4 pesos area. Meron kasi siyang doji near that or at that area. Yun pala yung doji. So, there. Around the 4 pesos yung tinitignan ko na support area. Breakdown to that 4 pesos area could possibly retest the next support, which is the 3.87. Since may buyback share siya, buyback program siya, I think mahihirapan siyang mag-pullback ng malaki. Unless na lang there is a foreign selling. Anyway, ang resistance na nakikita ko immediate is the previous high, which is the close to 4.30 area. So breakout to that level could possibly, retest this one, which is the 4.71 area. So this area, or 4.69. Iano ko lang tong cloud para makita natin siya. So around that area, 4.69. So at this rate, medyo neutral. So antayin natin siya at 4 pesos area. So I think that's it for this MPI. Now let's move on to SM. So after MPI is SM. Syempre SM, since ito yung pinaka-largest cap, syempre ito yung unang papasukin ng mga foreign investors. However, ang nag-push sa kanya actually within the past few days is foreign investors, and then nag-pullback siya. Foreign din yung nag-sell. So for this one, syempre ang tinitignan kong resistance is this previous area, which is the 1,100 area. So kung candle lang ang titignan ko, medyo nag-establish na siya dito ng base, so possibly that will be serve as support area. Itong area na to. So watch out for it, the 1,000 area. Kung mag-breakdown pa siya dyan, or hindi siya mag-hold dyan, possibly this one, around 996. So I think that's it. Depende kung saan yung anong plano nyo. Pero syempre kung titignan mo, risk-reward talaga. Kung ako lang medyo siya. Well, anyway, it depends sa plans ninyo. But possibly the 9% possible return and the risk-reward ratio of around 11.88, which is maganda naman yung risk-reward ratio niya. Kaya lang yung returns na makuha mo, hindi nga lang siya ganon kalaki. Kasi 9% lang siya. So I think that's it for SM. For SM, neutral lang ako. So now let's move on to dito. Let's check ko lang. This is 7.05. This is 7.05. So meron na siyang divergence dun. So ito is same. Pero dito is pababa na siya. So may bearish divergence sa doon. Or for me, it's just a normal correction. But anyway, since dahil dyan, strategy ko dito is buy on pullback. Actually, nakabili ako last time dito nung nag-dump siya. And then, nabenta ko siya dito sa 7 pesos. Wow, sa opening ako nakabenta. Anyway, Pero meron pa rin akong holdings ng dito as of this. Nabili ko siya medyo mababa, around 1 peso area. So anyway, let's medyo mabagal kasi. So yun, hawak ko pa rin yung iba. Yung mga una kong nabili. So anyway, scalp lang kasi to. I mean swing. Kasi tatlong araw more or less siya bago ko nabenta. So it's a swing. So ang tinitignan kong support around the 550 area and the resistance at this area around the 7.10. Well, long term medyo more or less depende on how the developments. Pero kung mag-deliver siya, most likely close to a PLDT or TEL, average market cap. So I think that's it. Anyway, hindi ko ata na-compute pa yung market cap nito. Let me just show you pala. I think na-compute ko na siya. Ito, converge valuation. Did I update it? I think hindi ko pa na-update yung oh yeah, I think I updated. So let me just what's this? Average of this. Oh yeah, the average of that. Average of dito competitors. 1, 2, 3. Ang ginamit ko lang is si TEL. Yeah, actually pwede din nating isama si Converge para wala naman kayong masabi. I think kasama na siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. So kasama na siya. In-exclude ko sina kasi medyo hindi pa siya ka-levels ng mga to. Kasi mag-ano siya isa dito sa average. But anyway, we can actually also include that. So this one, itong ginamit ko, sa apat sila. And this one is yung tatlo lang sila. So let's just make a possible range. And then outstanding shares, hindi na yan yung outstanding shares niya is magiging 14 billion shares. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 14 billion from 2.8. So, ang tinitignan kong range ng fair value ng dito is 12 to 16.44 area. Oh, I did not update the price. Anyway, let's check on the price. Hindi ko pala na-update. So, si Converge, para updated din yung computation natin. So, Converge. Medyo speculative pa kasi siya. Kasi syempre, di pa naman siya talaga nag-ooperate. But once it operates, syempre, saka lang siya magkakaroon ng talagang value. 15.84. So, 15.84. 15.84. So, as of, yan ako lang to November 19. TEL. What's TEL? TEL. $1,370. Si TEL at saka si Globe, more to lose ang mga to Kaya, nandun ako sa mga challenger telco stocks. So 2006, and then si dito at 6.39. 6.39, so that's it. Ganun pa rin naman siya. 12 to 16 pesos ang tinitignan kong fair value nila. So, kasi at this rate, ano na yung fair or market cap ni dito around 1, 2, 3, 89 billion pesos. So, actually close na siya kay Converge. Pero kailangan mag-deliver siya to it for it to justify its valuation na 12 to 16 pesos. So, kung nabili ko siya ng 1, possibly that's at mag 16 pesos siya. That's around 1,500%. O, diba? Wow. Edi wow. So, next after dito, para sa akin, it's a buy on pullback. Pero kailangan mag-deliver siya or ma-justify niya yung valuations na yon. So, next after dito is TEL. I think TEL. So, si TEL naman, yeah, I think si TEL, no trade zone ako neto. Ang laki bearish. Actually, that's a bearish engulfing candle. So, possibly it will retest this 1,000. Ang ano ko na. Yeah, possibly that area. Wait lang. Check natin tong trend nito. Ang sama ko. Hindi naman kasi more to sila kasi once nag-operate yung isang telco, mas madami tong ikaka-baba ng ng subscriber base, diba? Though nandito pa rin naman siya sa uptrend channel, so possibly ito lang muna yung tinitingnan kong support. Yung support dito, trend line na to, possibly around 1,300 area. So actually, halos ganun din lang naman so yan, 1,300 area dito sa area na to. So, kung sakaling bumaba siya dyan tomorrow, that's 1338. So, let's see kung mag-hold siya sa trend na to. Else, kung mag-breakdown siya dyan, possibly ito talagang tinitingnan ko na strong support around the 1,270. And of course, the immediate resistance is at this area, around the 1,485. Since bearish engulfing siya, it's a no trade zone sa akin. No trade zone talaga. And yeah, even sa long term, possibly mahihirapan si TEL to, syempre, magkaroon ng additional na subscriber. Kasi nga, ang daming competitors na papasok. Andyan si Converge, tapos si dito, kung mag-ooperate siya by next year, March 2021. So, medyo hindi ganun kaganda ang ko kay TEL. But anyway, it depends kung if you see fit na magtutuloy pa rin naman yung kanyang earnings, then why not? It's actually one of the stocks that give a high dividend rate. However, syempre, yung dividend rate na yun, depende rin sa earnings niya. So, kung mababawasan yung kanyang subscriber base within this year, I mean, possibly within the next ang tinitingnan kong time frame once na mag-start yung competitor, which is si dito. So, mag-start ng yung mga subscribers to try the newest telco players, which is actually plano ko din na i-try kung sakali. So, let's see. Hindi ko na i-measure kasi mas malaki yung possible downside niya, in my opinion. So, next after that is si APX. At least dito na yung last. Anyway, because gold, yeah, maganda naman yung earnings niya. Kaso kasi gold is medyo nahihirapan siya. Actually, let's go to the daily time frame. Ayun o. Bumagsak ulit siya. And currently, yeah, let's see kung itong 1860 ay mag-hold. Ayun na, tsaka meron siyang meron siyang gap up. Or meron siyang gap. So, yeah, ang strat for me, kung sakali mang papasukin ko to, I will wait sa around this area na ma-fill yung gap. Diba? Possibly this area. Around 1.55 area. And of course, the immediate resistance I'm looking at is this area. 2.06. So, I think that's it muna kay APX. Medyo bearish ako eh. Ilang araw na siyang bear, tapos Friday pa. So, tapos bumagsak pa yung gold. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging closing nito bukas. Pero kung ganyan pa rin siya, possibly baka nga ma-fill niya yung gap na pinakain nito is 1.55 nga. So, let's see how it goes. For me, it's a no trade zone muna sa ngayon. And sa gold naman, gold companies or mining companies, wala kasi akong planong mag-enter into mining companies kasi trine-trade ko na yung mismong gold. So, I think that's it. So, mahalagang paalala, trading and investing have risk, so always trade cautiously. Thanks guys!